Hello, I'm going to Tan's Lego and brick builds. Now that we're in summer, it's getting really hot, so I thought to myself, I'm going to build a Lego fan, so that's what I did. And it actually works. You can adjust the speed using the speed controller and also the direction. And at the back, there's also a key. Let's get started. So you'll need one motor. It can be any one, but it just has to fit in your box. You will need a IR receiver, a speed controller, and a battery box. And to make this, you want to make a gear ratio. And since I didn't have enough 42 gears and 82 gears, I used these clutch gears. And for the wind-up car mechanism that I did in another video, I'm just using the same mechanism as that. And then attached a fan blade, which I made using 1x9 Technic beams, and two of them on each side, like this, attached to another clutch gear. But then, also what I did is, I have this battery box. I think the official one would work too. And you can just snap it on your gear reduction system like this, making sure your IR receiver is attached to it using Technic pins and is also upside down. And after you've done that, you can just use the 16x16 plate as a roof, because all the dimensions would be on a 16x16 plate. You just snap on the roof, I forgot something pretty important. So there's also a key mechanism. You just use these two Technic bricks. The actual circle one before the other. Because then, yes, I did use the screwdriver. I just had to attach a cone piece to the end. So then when you take it out, you can stick your key inside to then remove the lid easily. And so, after assembling, this should be your final result after also building some walls. And then you can use your speed controller. Oh wait, forgot to turn it on. So to turn it on, you just come up and turn your battery box on. So after you've turned your battery box on, you can get your speed controller, make sure it's on the right output and stuff, turn, and it goes really fast. I'm not sure about you, but I can feel so much air. So yeah, it goes really fast and I feel so much air. And after, you can attach your key with the screwdriver body on top here by just mounting something on for easy remembrance. So there you go. So now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!